We should get him.
How much does he weigh? Holy duck. Yeah, I would get him. I would look at it. I'd put him in the car, definitely.
Really?
Hey. Nice.
Hey guys, Dina here with Journey for Profits. Welcome back to the channel. For all of you that joined, thanks so much. I truly appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you guys what we found at our local thrift. And also we did a couple of Goodwills and Salvation Army. We just thrift hopped, basically. So let me show you some of the cute finds. We're going to start with this Panasonic, which we found at one of the Goodwills. And this is a automatic telephone answering machine. Gosh, that sounds... I said it so. It's just an answering machine. But $3.99, we paid for it. And believe it or not, it was sitting there by a lonesome. And it looks like it's new. Would you say it's new?
I don't know. Probably not. I didn't open it.
Yeah, I mean, it's sealed pretty.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
here
think
it
it's been
goes.
open though.
Yeah.
Might be a brick in there. $4 brick.
Well, it looks...
Nice.
yeah.
It's vintage. It's old.
Vintage and old, but it looks like it's pretty.
Yeah.
It's new. We have to test it and everything. But anyway, the comps are looking good for this guy. I think they were looking around, what, 40, 50?
Yeah, probably about that.
40, 50 bucks. Not bad for $3.99. So keep an eye on this Panasonic.
Just vintage. Any vintage type item. Just look it up.
Yeah.
It's worth looking up.
So that was
Especially if
pretty
it's
cool.
new.
I found this purse.
That is cool.
This purse
really
is
like that.
handmade. And guys, just check out the toggle on here.
Yeah, that's
I mean, you
badass.
have to I don't even know how to do it, but press and turn. And it's made in Mexico. This is handmade.
Love it?
You can see here, it's all it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I found this for $9.99. I know it's probably a little pricey, $9.99. But I'm just going to take a gamble on it because it's just so beautifully made. The toggle alone is just, this part I just love. So, this is going to be a posh, and I'm putting this on my normal eBay, not my new store. But it's beautiful. So that's that. I don't know, what do you think, 50 bucks?
You can put it out at 50. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to try 50 and
I mean, it's
see
cool,
where
it's
it
unique.
takes me, but it's beautiful.
Yep.
So that's that.
You're probably not going to get too many comps, but
Yeah. Now this guy I found all by lonesome, by himself in the little corner there. This duck, and it's heavy. I did not expect this when I picked it up, but it's like ceramic, right?
I
Would
think
you say?
so. Feels like ceramic.
It feels like it's ceramic, and there's nothing written on there.
Yeah.
If you guys know what you call this, let us know, because we have no idea. I just picked it up, and I'm going to take a gamble with it, risk it, and see what we got. But I'm going to put this on my second store and see how it goes. There's a couple little, no nicks, but I have to clean it and see what happens. Just wipe it down. The good thing about it is that it looks like it's swipeable.
I think it's big and it's heavy.
It's huge and it's so
So
heavy.
shipping's going to be
Yeah. But
pretty
I'm going to put it
expensive.
out there.
It's cool.
See what happens. If it sells, you guys, if you follow us on Instagram, I'll post stuff of whatever sells on there so you guys can check it out.
Both eyes there?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so pretty. Beautiful
One-eyed
floral
duck.
color. Yeah. So
Well,
that's that. Oh, how much did we pay for it? $4.99.
$4.99. Hoping to get what? 40? 50? 60? 70?
Yeah, maybe.
It's one of those, right? That if
Yeah,
you,
maybe 50. I don't know.
Could be 100. We don't know.
I don't know. I didn't look at the comps.
I will
nothing.
tell you what. I tried searching. How do you search something that there's no brand to it? What do you
Right.
call it? A paisley duck? Ceramic ducks? Not even
Floral.
paisley. Whatever that is.
Floral.
Floral print. They're ducks, and they're smaller ducks that are worth 40, 50 bucks. This
Right.
guy's huge, heavy. So,
we'll see.
yeah.
We'll see what
We'll
happens.
keep you posted on that guy.
So then, our shoes.
Those are clean.
I found these Brooks Brothers.
I like those. We
Brooks
do well.
Brothers.
Not Brooks. Brooks.
Brooks.
We
I
do
found
well
these
with
Brooks.
those damn Brooks, right?
Yeah, because I just sold a pair of Brooks.
So that's
which-
a brand to keep an eye that you don't normally throw around.
Yeah.
But they're very popular. They're selling the 40, 50s?
Yeah, they sell really well on Posh, even on eBay.
How much did you?
$7.47 we paid for them.
Those are in good
They look
shape.
good. I'm
Yeah.
just gonna clean them up a little bit here, just to freshen them up a bit. But they are not. There's no holes, no major stains. I try to stay away from this really soiled. It's just not worth it.
Yeah.
But the minor ones like this, I could just soak them.
You could probably get away with selling them just like that.
Yeah.
As long as you take pictures of the bottom. Of course, the bottom's gonna be walked on.
Right, but I freshen.
As long as there's no dog poop.
Yeah. Means
or any other,
though.
or any. I know that's somebody else's good luck, not yours. You have to clean it.
True. So I'll just freshen them up
Cool.
a bit. But paid $7.47, and I sold a
comping
pair
for what?
of these.
You just sold a pair a week ago, right? Too?
Yeah, I think it was like
Pink ones?
$40.
Okay. All right.
$40 on Posh. Which
That was a quick flip, right?
Yeah, and you'll see that. You probably saw that video already, because the what sold. So you'll probably know which ones I'm talking about. But yeah, that's that.
So Brooks, great brand for
Brooks.
us.
Yeah, keep an eye on Brooks.
Yep.
It works for us. It's just awesome.
This one we had to chase around looking for the other one, right?
Right. These are Merrills, and it was just the one pair by itself there.
They look good because they're purple. We don't usually get purple Merrills, right?
No, this is a first for us. Merrills in a sneaker type of
They're
form.
usually beige or gray or dull color. These are cool.
$7.47 again. We found them in the same store. It was the Goodwill. Same Goodwill as the Brooks.
What do you think? $40?
Great looking shoe. I think so.
Hikers, runners, they love Merrills.
And look, the heel.
Mostly hikers
The
or
heel
walkers.
looks good.
Or wannabe hikers, wannabe walkers.
And it says here something.
Cool. Even better if it has.
And bound, it says.
Good, because that'll make comping easier because that's a specific model or brand.
We didn't comp these, we just grabbed them.
We know,
because Merrill just works well for us.
As long as they're in
Any
good
kind of
shape,
Merrills, for us, they sell.
Yeah, it's $40 all day, 35
Yeah.
even. How much did we pay for those?
These were $7, $7.47.
Okay.
Not bad, and they look great. I just gotta freshen them up a little bit, and they're good to go.
Good. So the
They're
shoes
gonna
are
look
for the big store, right?
Yeah, and they're light. FYI, they're light. Okay,
And Posh.
Posh.
So far this has been 1, 2, 3 for Posh and eBay, and 2 for the small eBay, the new one.
Found these at our local Goodwill here near home.
Mm-hmm.
Nike. These are women's, right? Yeah, women's.
Yeah.
And they were in good condition as well, as you can see. Like I said, I have to just freshen them up. No big major holes or anything like that, or soiled areas. But $7.47.
Are those Air? Is that the Air?
Nike
sole?
Air.
Nice. Okay.
Nike
Yeah, clean them
Air.
up. They hide.
Yeah, I just
Cool.
freshen them up a little bit.
Those are cool. What those?
But they look great.
Comping what?
And-
Same thing? 40?
Yeah, about comping around $40. And the other thing that I look for is the
Yeah.
shoelaces. I make sure that they're clean, because if they're not, I just won't buy them, because I have a hard time. It's just too time consuming cleaning the shoestrings, especially if they're white, because I have to soak them for days.
And hard to get new ones, right? You gotta
Yeah,
wait, order them on
I don't-
Amazon. It's a pain in the
It's
ass.
not worth it. So if these aren't looking good, I know the rest I can just get out.
How about the
and feel
insoles?
good.
Definitely want to make sure
Yeah,
those
make
insoles are in
sure
there.
that
Some
the insoles are
weirdos
there.
take out the insoles.
Because sometimes they're missing. So I always make sure that's in there. That's a good tip. That's right.
How much? It's $8?
$7.47.
Cool. 35, $40, right?
Yep, good
All day.
looking shoes. And so that's the end of that with the shoes. Then I found this guy, Peonia Mountain Shrubby. I think they're like potpourri canisters, or you can just use them for whatever.
Cool.
It's the Botanic Garden.
You think that's for seeds?
I don't know what it's
Why would you have
for.
that many seeds, right?
But there's a set of 3.
Cool. Same? No, they're different flowers on
Yeah,
them.
different.
Cool.
This one, it's Shrubby Peony.
Oh, peonies.
And
We like
$2.90
peonies.
Yeah, I love peonies. $2.99 for this guy. And $1.99 for this one. It's the citrus, I can't even pronounce that, purple rock rose.
Okay.
It's a little smaller.
Cool.
This one was $1.99.
So I guess a gardener would love this, like a flower
I don't
botanical
know
garden
if they
person.
use this for that. This one is small narcissus. I don't know. Narcissus. I can't speak.
No, you had it right. Narcissus.
Yeah, $1.99. And I'm not sure if they're for seeds.
No, I don't think so. But someone who loves flowers and knows would probably love this in their
Right,
kitchen.
for just
You're gonna drop
cap.
them.
They won't.
You're so
For
gonna
just
drop them.
storing little
The
things in
clack.
here. you
The
know?
clack is no charge for the clack.
But they were
Oh.
comping. What did we see?
I saw one for like 20, just one.
For one canister,
And
$20.
we're all in what, $9?
Yeah. So
So we're thinking what, 35, $40 maybe, 50. Start
I
at
think
50.
so, and they're pretty. They're really
I gotta check the comps. I think I
They're
saw that
ceramic.
medium one there for $20.
yeah. So I don't know.
So
how
to
much
have
for the
all
whole
three,
set, that's
one
gonna
much
be-
bigger, and yeah, I think that's a, I don't know, we'll see, $40, $50.
Right.
Settle for 35 if we take an offer. At $9, not the highest profit, so I gotta look at that.
But
We did spend 9, right? 3,
Yeah,
2, 4. How much is for the big one?
$2.99.
So 3 plus 4, actually $7 bucks.
Mhm.
Better.
Right.
Yeah.
Not so bad for all three jars. And ceramic and with the wood top. Pretty. Really pretty. So we'll see. If we do sell them quickly like we sold our other things, again, I'll post them on Instagram. Follow us there, Journey for Profits, and then you could see the sales there.
Cool. What else you got? That's it?
No.
How about that tobacco thing? Yep, that was
This
cool.
little tobacco thing we found at the local thrift.
Yeah, it's called Family something.
Oh, there's a chip here.
A big chip.
Yeah.
Scratch that. Look, show him the chip. I wasn't paying attention to that.
There's a chip here.
That must have just freaking happened. I don't remember
I
seeing a
don't
chip
know.
there. All right.
We just saw the chip.
So,
But anyhow,
too bad for that, because
we can disclose it. It's on the bottom.
it's a humidor for tobacco itself, not cigars, for the
It
actual
says,
tobacco.
Handmade in Italy,
Yeah, they were pretty good, too.
and it says tobacco here.
This was cool because it was manly, because it was the, it has the cards, and I think the poker cards with the chips on it.
Yeah, it has to be clean.
There
I
is
guess
actually
keep the
tobacco
in
residue on there.
Yeah, has to be clean.
But that, I seen them comping 35. I paid $1 for it, so you're right. I'll probably throw it out there and just disclose the chip.
Yeah, $1.
But I was thinking this in good condition would have been easily a $35, $40
Right.
piece.
But
That's
it's okay. We
bummer.
put it out there. We'll
Yeah, we'll
that.
disclose the
See what
nickel.
happens.
It's a nickel-sized chip. That's
Yeah, I
not a
didn't
chip.
see
That's
that.
that's
I
a
didn't see
chunk.
it at all. But it's okay.
All right, so
$1.
that happens. You know, cost of being careless or not paying attention.
Then we found this.
I didn't comp
thing.
that. I
didn't?
I just threw it and then forgot to comp it. That happens, guys. Make sure you don't rush to the cashier because they'll put pressure on you to pay, and you're like, wait,
Yeah.
I didn't comp this yet.
$3.99. It looks like a little electric
Coffee,
coffee
camping.
or kettle or something.
Rip that plastic off. Maybe we'll get a better look.
Yeah, let's see.
Save the price, though. I'll forget what we paid for it. $4. Definitely overpaid, especially if you didn't comp it. I'm curious, what's inside? Oh,
Yeah, I think it's like a camping
show it
thing.
in here.
So I guess you put your
That's
coffee
your
or
water?
something.
Maybe for water? Okay.
To warm up water. when
Oh,
you're
look,
out
it's
there.
dented to
To
shreds.
pour.
Oh, is it pour shot? You sure?
Yeah,
It's not
look,
just
the little
dented.
snout.
Is that what? Okay, all right. I
pour.
feel better now. I thought it was dented
The
to.
little pour,
Cool.
and then you just, I guess, put whatever you want in there and just heat it up.
Yeah, cool.
So it's good for camping.
If anyone knows
RVing.
or has ever sold one of these, let us know because
Yeah, we have no idea.
I probably overpaid for this.
We'll see what happens. Oh well, you never know. Sometimes you never know with these items.
Yeah,
Like you
I
gamble.
forgot to pull it.
So I think that's about it
That's it. That's all we got.
of our haul. Yeah.
Cool.
So again, we're being picky buyers.
Yeah.
But again, our goal is to just to sell higher than
Yeah, $20 is our goal.
Yeah.
Trying to get as close to a $20 profit as we can
yeah
on
that's our
everything,
goal.
because that makes selling better. You don't have to worry. Oh,
How can I forget this guy?
you didn't comp that though, did you?
I did.
Oh,
This
you did?
is the tumbleweed pottery. I don't know
Cool.
if if you guys ever heard of that brand, but it says Golf Pro on there.
Cool.
Beautiful
It's
mug.
a big mug.
Yeah, and I think it was going for $20.
Mm.
I don't remember, but it was up there. That's why. I
Oh,
think it
20
was
plus
gold.
shipping. Some golf nut season's coming soon.
Yeah, if they
They'll
had
do
the
it.
boat one, I would have.
I
If
would've
it said
totally
something,
done
I would
that.
have kept it.
Yep.
But anyway, yeah.
That's a nice
There you
mug
go.
though.
It's nice, right?
I think, yeah, I gotta look at that.
Really
I
nice.
think you might be able to
It's
pull.
the type of the brand.
I can see that.
Tumbleweed Pottery.
Okay.
So look out for that. They have different models of the.
But comp your own, because
Thanks.
this might sell because it's, to a niche golfers, but
Yeah. But that's about it. I think our big hit here,
Is the duck
I'm
maybe?
gonna guess the duck
I think so too.
without comping, without
Yeah.
selling it yet. I'm gonna say the duck.
And the rest is just bread and butter
Yeah.
stuff for the store,
And this guy too.
right? The shoes are your typical shoes that we always buy and
Yeah.
list. The gadgets are just that,
And the jars.
still filling our way through this. But we had some good success with that small store, right? Do you have a video on that yet?
Which one?
The new store. We wiped out some stuff.
Yeah, we sold a lot.
Few
my next
items,
video-
few high dollar items.
Yeah, you guys probably are gonna have seen it already, or are about to see it, because I'm gonna record it. But
Oh, that's right, because we're still okay.
But yeah,
But
I
that's
think
cool.
this guy's gonna be the winner
I agree.
of the highest, of course.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think so. Okay, so that's about it. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, just give us a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe. This way it motivates me to do more videos for you guys. So thanks a lot, and keep pushing. See you on the next one.